Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Little Wil is probably one of the most sought-after CB antennas for truck drivers and off-road enthusiasts alike, offering a compact yet powerful solution for maintaining clear communication on the go, and today we're diving deep into what makes this particular antenna a standout choice in a crowded market, examining its performance, durability, and overall value proposition for anyone who relies on reliable two-way radio communication. Number 5. LUITON 28-inch 27 MHz CB Radio Antenna. Experience superior communication with this 28-inch CB antenna. Its extended length is designed to maximize your range and improve reception, ensuring you stay connected. Everything you need is in the box. This full kit comes with a heavy-duty magnetic mount, pre-installed 10-feet coaxial cable, coil load, and a durable stainless steel whip. The powerful magnetic base is engineered to enhance signal reception by utilizing the large metal surface of your vehicle. Get clearer transmissions and better listening. This versatile antenna is capable of receiving weather channels and covers all standard CB frequencies. It's compatible with major brands like President, Midland, Cobra, and Uniton. We stand by our product. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty that covers any manufacturing defects, ensuring your investment is protected. What we like. This antenna is designed for maximum range and superior receiving capabilities. Its longer design is a key differentiator for performance. If you are looking for the best possible signal and coverage, especially in open areas, this is a great choice. If you want a complete package that's ready to go right out of the box, consider this option. What people say. Received signals perfectly. So the range on this antenna is great and the magnet is very strong. Works as advertised. I had a 1.7 SWR so didn't trim the antenna. You can coil and uncoil the cable to tweak it a little. Magnet holds well and road speed. Number 4. Wilson Antennas T5000 Mobile CB Antenna. Introducing the world's most powerful center-loaded mobile CB antenna. Experience unmatched performance and broadcasting capability. This antenna is built to handle an incredible 5,000 AM and 20,000 SSB watts of power. It's ready for even the most demanding conditions. Customize your setup with the included 5-inch and 10-inch shafts. Achieve the perfect placement for optimal signal transmission. It comes weatherband ready, ensuring you receive important weather alerts. Stay informed and connected no matter where your travels take you. Ready for both AM and FM signals, this antenna is optimized for maximum performance. Enjoy crystal clear communication and extended range. What we like. This is touted as the world's most powerful center-loaded mobile CB antenna, boasting exceptional power handling for both AM and SSB. If you need an antenna that can handle extreme power levels and deliver top-tier performance, this is the one. It's optimized for maximum output, making it ideal for users who demand the absolute best in mobile CB communication. What people say. It is a good antenna for the price. This antenna is a great addition to my truck. The antenna is very durable and has a great design. Number 3. Wilson 305 to 900,905 Replacement CB Antenna Whip. Introducing a premium replacement CB antenna whip designed for your T2000 and T5000 series antennas. This essential accessory ensures you maintain clear communication on the road. Crafted from durable 49-inch stainless steel, this tapered whip offers both resilience and optimal performance. Its robust design is built to last. This versatile whip is not only perfect for T2000 and T5000 series but also an excellent choice for Stryker SR-A10 trucker antennas. Enjoy broad compatibility. Designed for straightforward replacement, you can quickly install this whip and get back to using your CB radio. Its user-friendly design makes it hassle-free. Experience reliable and clear CB radio performance with this high-quality antenna whip. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your communication setup. What we like. This is a replacement whip specifically designed for T2000 and T5000 series antennas, and it also works with certain other models. If you already own a compatible antenna system and need to replace just the whip, this is your solution. Its tapered stainless steel construction ensures durability and optimal signal transmission for your existing setup. What people say. This is a legit whip replacement for a Wilson 2000-5000 trucker antenna. Replaced my broken whip with this new one and everything worked as expected and no antenna light. Been having a problem getting a low SWR on 10 meters. Replaced the whip that came with the Wilson 2000 and cut it down from 49. Was able to get a 1:5 SWR on 28.00 to 29.700 without a tuner. Made contacts all over the world mobile with 75 watts. Number 2. HYS Universal CB Antenna Mount Kit. Introducing the HYS Universal CB Antenna Mount. This versatile adapter is designed to fit any 2-inch hole, making it a perfect fit for your CB radio antenna. Crafted from high-quality copper and PTE, it offers exceptional durability and protection against wear and tear. This ensures it can withstand the elements. It's designed to fit any 2-inch hole and is compatible with antennas featuring 3 8 to 24 threads. This provides broad compatibility with most CB antennas. This kit includes everything you need for easy installation: an L bracket with a 10mm hole, 2 U-bolts with screws, and a stud with an SO 239 connector. The antenna pole is made of high-quality aluminum, ensuring it's sturdy, durable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. It's built for both indoor and outdoor use. The included L bracket and U-bolts allow for easy pole mounting. You can install it vertically or horizontally to suit your specific needs. What we like. This offers a universal mounting solution with superb durability thanks to its copper and PTE construction. It's designed to fit any 2-inch hole and comes with everything needed for easy installation on poles, either vertically or horizontally. If you need a versatile and robust mount that can adapt to various antenna setups and locations, this bracket kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Works nicely and supports a 25-foot telescoping whip nicely. Installation was easy. Fit was perfect to mount antenna to pole. They work vertical or horizontal and work like they should. Number 1. Antennas 880-90080-2B1000 Series Mobile CB Antenna Kit. Introducing the Antennas 1000 Series Mobile CB Antenna Kit. This antenna is designed for reliable communication on the go. It features a removable coil, making storage safe and allowing easy passage through garage entrances. This practical design enhances its usability. A weather cap is included to protect the mount when the coil is detached. This ensures durability and longevity of the unit. With a 3000-watt power handling capability, it's built to perform under demanding conditions. You can rely on its robust performance. Constructed from high-impact Mhz thermoplastic, this antenna is built to last. Its sturdy build ensures it can withstand various environmental factors. It boasts a 10-gauge silver-plated coil winding for optimal signal transmission. This premium component ensures clear and efficient communication. What we like. The standout feature here is the removable coil, which allows for safe storage and easy passage through garage entrances. It also boasts a high power handling capability and is constructed with durable materials. If you frequently need to navigate low clearances or want the convenience of easily storing your antenna, this rooftop mount is a practical and powerful option. What people say. Great antenna. I bought the wrong base, but I kept it and purchased a second one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.